Hello guys, here is Anders again. We are now on day 24 of this 30-day video challenge. I'm still in Loire-Minois in southern France, near Carcassonne and Toulouse. Yesterday we had a very good day. We went into the butcher and get some really nice Côte de Bœuf steaks, which we did on the barbecue grill on the roof terrace of my friend, and his lovely wife Lotte created some béarnaise cream, I think it's called. Kind of a mayonnaise. It is a cold sauce which we used for the Hasselback potatoes I also created in the oven. So and we got a very good wine that we have collected during the day on the local winery here in this area. So very nice day. And today will also be really good because that in in half an hour, maybe 45 minutes, we are driving into Carcassonne city to visit the old city center. So I'm looking forward to that. We're not going to see the castle. I have seen that the last time I was in Carcassonne, maybe was that 15-20 years ago, something like that. So so no need to spend time on that. So better to see all the other parts of the old town. And my buddy Jan is showing me his favorite. It's not very nice to say liquor store. I think it's a little more upper class than a traditional liquor store. But a very nice shop where they have liquor and wine and so on. And we will go in there to look for an Armagnac. And that is he called it a countryside cognac. So it's a kind of a cognac, but or brandy, as you say in the US. But so it tastes a little bit the same, but and is in the same category. But of course, it is not a cognac because cognac can only be produced in a certain district in France, and it is in fact the same with this Armagnac. Armagnac. I can't remember the exact name. Sorry for that. But it is also can only be produced in a certain area in France, really close to this place. As I remember, he told it was around 1 hour drive from here where they produce that brandy-like liquor. So yeah, so and we also are going to buy the local dish here in this area. I can't remember the exact name, but I mean it was something like casserole or something like that. It is white beans in a meat sauce, something like that. But that's very traditional here, and who want to taste that is it is the last night for me here in with my friends and his wonderful wife. So tomorrow afternoon I'll fly back home to Denmark and back to my son and my dog and everything. So until now it has been a very nice vacation, mini vacation, 5 days. But I don't know if I'm happy or not to getting back home because it's getting very hot here now. this night's sleep was a sweaty one, so I'm looking forward to get back in the cold, maybe. And today should be one of the worst days of this week. We should hit 34, 35 degrees. It's already starting. It's a very blue sky right now, so already very hot outside. So we'll see how it goes today, but I'm looking forward to a very good day. So I also hope you all will have a very nice day wherever you are. We will see you again tomorrow. The tomorrow's video will probably be from an airport like the other one I did, because that is a transit day or fly day or whatever you call it. But either from the Montpellier airport or from the airport in Amsterdam, Schiphol. We'll see how it goes. But until then, have a nice one, and see you again tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.